My history with Noah and Jeannie goes back many years ago. And before, we all danced together in the group Nonosina. Back in the glory days of Nonosina. I was kidding. No, but we all know Nonosina is my family, and I'm so proud of my sister now. But we all danced together, and I like to call up, actually, we have a third member here of Nonosina, the Golden Years. Here, and I'd like all three of them to come up and dance. They rarely get to dance together. They haven't practiced. But you know what? These are three of my favorite dancers ever. And they would like to do for you a song entitled Mare or Video. And let's have a big round of applause for Leilani, Jeannie, and Napua! So while they come up and try to remember the motions, this song was written by the late Koko Hota Hota, and what the title of this song is Mare. What a mare is a lasso. And what he was explaining in the song is, the power of a woman dancing in aparima is like a lasso. And when she's dancing, she captivates the whole audience by putting a lasso over them. And when she dances, we can't help but take our eyes off of the woman, be entranced by her dance, and they would like to do for you their mare or their lasso video. Here we go.